friends. My name is Sejal. I studying in class 8. I am going to talk about Children's Day. Children's Day is celebrated on 14 November every year in India. We celebrate Children's Day on the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of independent India. Children fondly refer Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru as Chacha Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru had great love of affection for children. Also on this day, the school organized many programs. Generally, children participate in various competitions like dance, music, painting, singing, debate and storytelling, etc. The main purpose behind Children's Day is to spread awareness about children, right, child care and child education is the country. Moreover, there is distribution of prizes and sweets among students on this day. Thank you.
Hello to Sigwant. Today my topic is a speech on Children's Day. Children's Day in India is celebrated every year on 14 November. This day is also called Bal Divas. Bal in Hindi means a child and Divas means day. This day is also celebrated in honor of the birth anniversary of our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, who was Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, who was fondly called Chacha Nehru or Chacha Ji by children. He had a special connection with them and was always affected in their company. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14 November 1889 in Allahabad and was schooled at home under private tutors. In his early life, this is his 132nd anniversary. After his birth, his last in 1967. A regulation was passed to celebrate his birthday as Bal Divas. Thank you and have a nice day.
My name is Sita Rajput. I am from class 10. Today I want to deliver on Children's Day. We all have gathered here to celebrate Children's Day. Children are the gift from the God and most valuable resources. Children and are celebrated every year. The Indian of 14 November. The day is celebrated birth of anniversary of our Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru passed away in 1964. Away the Indian Parliament of the celebrated has birth of November 14 has the Children's Day. He was born in Allahabad, India in the year 1889. He served as the Prime Minister of the India for the more than 16 years with a great and the more years loving called him Chacha Nehru. He believed that the children today are the future of tomorrow. He was special bond with the children, advocated children to compulsory education, built the schools in the Nehru. He asked the children have make Indian tomorrow the way they bring up will determine future of country. Considered the children is a real strength. The nation daughter of Indian Priyadarshini, she was the first woman Prime Minister of the India. Pandit Nehru described the childhood sheltered and unevenly won the grey of the wealthy atmosphere. He is also Pandit Nehru due to reference his Kashmiri Pandit community roots and Jawaharlal Nehru helped India become independent at the end of the British Raj. India is independent 15 August 1947. He was elected and the first Prime Minister of the India on the midnight of 14 August 1947. Nehru address Constituent Assembly delivered from the famous speech Christ in the Destiny. He said children and like birds in the garden and they should be carefully, lovingly nurtured and are the future of the nation. Citizens and the tomorrow like the little birds trying balloon. Make the India tomorrow let's take place. Ensure that every child our country enjoy equal rights, safety and good education. Here I conclude my speech. Thank you everyone and I wish you all a very happy Children's Day.